Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I did my knotless braids. So here I'm just showing you how I sectioned off my hair for the style, and my hair is already moisturized, so yeah, I'm working with that. So all of my braids are done off camera except for these two last braids that I have. So I am going to show you guys exactly what technique I use to achieve these knotless braids. So just make sure you keep the section that you're not working with away, and for this section you want to make sure that you don't have any tangles, so go on ahead and comb through it. And then I also use this edge control to make sure that I have all my flyaways laid, and this is just going to give you that neat look to your braids. So starting off as you would a normal braid without any hair extensions, split it into 3 equal parts and start braiding as usual. And after one round I add the hair extension underneath my index finger, and then I proceed to braid as normally. And after I arrive at the same position as I was, I add again another hair extension and proceed to braid. So you can either do this 2 times or 3 times depending on how thick you want your braids to be. So after I reach the ends, I just put again some edge control onto my ends to make sure that I don't have any flyaways. And also this allows for easy blending within the braids, so you don't have your own hair sticking out. So yeah, just do that and braid. So these are called knotless braids as they do not have the traditional knot at the root of the braid, as I am showing you here. So also these braids allow for you to manipulate them almost as soon as you're done doing them without having any tension to your head. So repeating the process again in case you didn't get it the first time around. So yeah, you should be able to see more clearly here. So now that I'm finally done, I can show you guys exactly how they look, and as you can see they really have little tension and you can easily manipulate them. They are not stiff at all, and I am in love with these braids. I think I'm gonna be doing them again. So here is the before dipping them into hot water. I didn't want to do them all the way to the ends, and this is after, and I'm in love with this look. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, share. See you in my next video.